just unscrew it and then take out the other part. So now we're just going to take the filter apart and clean it. It's got 1, 2, 3 parts all together. This is the part that collects all the impurities, sand, bits and pieces of food. It's not enough to just rinse it under the water because it still sticks inside the netting. So I take a long handled brush and just give it a brush. I do it both inside and outside while running the water on it so that it dislodges the little tiny bits as well as washing them away with the water. So now you can see it's nice and clean. For this section you don't really need to do much. You just give it a rinse with water. You can take a sponge with a little bit of soap, just regular fairy liquid or any mild detergent mixed with water, and just give it a quick clean. It's not completely necessary, but you can. It can sometimes get greasy if you have greasy foods. And just give that a good rinse. Shake it out, and then it's very easy to pop back. All you do is put it in, and then you just press together and it clips in. It's very, very easy to do. Now this part is also another kind of a filter, and this I also clean with the brush because bits and pieces get caught in both the top part, especially in the ridges around the perimeter, and on the other side as well. You'll find as you use it more and more, food will get caught on the edges. So it's good to give it a good clean with your brush and then a good rinse. And then I just shake it out and it's ready to put back. So I just wipe the inside over here before replacing the filter parts, just in case anything is stuck on the edges. We don't want it to get caught again inside the filter assembly. That just easily fits in, and then you pop this back with a little turn until it clicks in, and then it's solid, it can't be moved, and it also locks the other filter in. And that's it.